Hello everybody and welcome back to Nail Crusade and welcome to any of my new subscribers. Today I'm going to show you what my hubby bought me for Christmas. So to start off with, I got the MelodySusie plant-based Christmas nail set. So I'm going to be showing you those and swatching those later. What a pretty box. But more than that, I got a new lamp. Not a nail lamp, but a lighting lamp. So a lamp for me when I'm doing nails. I have been hankering after this one for ages, so I'm going to swap over to my phone so I can video it for you because putting it together was a bit tricky. So this is the light with the spotlight on. There's lots of controllers around the back. So we have this changes the type of light. So hopefully you can just about see that. So it's got natural, white, and a daylight. And then very cleverly it has, and find the right switch, a spotlight. So you can have the spotlight on, it's just there. Move it so we can see the spotlight. So if I'm just doing one nail for you, I'm going to be able to spotlight it and show you that. And then you can have it spotlighted and have the main light on as well. I just love it. And I will link in here a video to a proper unboxing of the lamp from my nail sister. Hello. So we've got the Christmas edition of the MelodySusie Sweet Scent Plant-Based Gel Nail Polish. Now, sweet scent, I'm wondering whether they are or not, but right, okay. As all of MelodySusie stuff comes, it's beautifully packaged. And so we're going to slip off the Christmas cover. Now, I don't know because I don't have any others of their sets, but I am assuming that all the sweet scent plant-based gel polishes come packaged and in a set. If they're a set, come packaged like this. It's beautiful. And they're 16.5 mils. It says on here since 2009. And then there's a little, there we go. There's a little tab on the end. Pull it out. And we get lots of information about MelodySusie. So it says, nature's perfume at your fingertips, HPMA certified, phthalate-free scents, aromatherapy infusion. It's a plant-based formula, HEMA-free, HPMA-free, TPO-free. So that excludes the top 3 allergy triggering monomers. Then it's 21 non-toxic, so 21 high-risk allergens have been eliminated. It's carbon-conscious chemistry, mineral-derived pigments, and nano-milling technology. Self-leveling viscosity for salon perfection application. And then it tells us again a bit more about it. So we've got 7 IPRA certified phthalate-free scents with the infusion. So naturally sweet scent, healthy care, plant-based and organic bio-sourced gel. And it says it lasts up to 28 days. says, notice our plant-based formula is made with cleaner and healthier ingredients, but no product is 100% allergy proof. Skin sensitivities vary by person. If you experience stinging, redness, or itching, stop use immediately and consult a physician. There we go. Oh, and it tells you, here we go, trim and buff the nail surface, apply a base gel, which my husband bought me a base gel as well. Top layers, apply 2 layers of coloured gel polish. Each layer cure for 60 to 90 seconds and then apply the top coat. So it says, note, darker colours and thicker layers require extended LED time. Always test first. Bobby's obviously seen somebody, so I'm sorry about the barking. And of course, you get your little MelodySusie. I love their little stickers and things that you get. Right, now look at these. Look at the box. How lovely is that? Look, can you see? Join us. Your beauty deserves the best care. Naturally sweet scent, MelodySusie plant-based gel nail polish. Care more. Yours is self-renew personal style. Care more for your health. Care more for the planet. Right, so this was a bit tricky, so you have to take it. It does say open, so open it says. Let's see, we can take this. Oops, there. Oh, cheers. Now, I thought this was really cute. Can you see? Face fit. So I really liked that. Of course, my only problem now is what do I do with all the packaging? I'm going to show you the colours. So we have, let's do the matte one first. Save the sparkle for later. So we have, it's green and red. So we've got a green, which is called B2305. And that's a really nice creamy dark green. I'm going to have a smell. I'm not sure it smells that different, but we'll see. I'll keep smelling them. This is definitely not an unpleasant smell, like some polishes can be. Then we've got B2806. That's a really nice deep red. As I said, this, this is a Christmas set, so very Christmassy. Then we've got B2809. Feeling this is a sparkly red from the top. And then there's a sparkly green. Very dark, again, dark, deep, sparkly green. P2060. This is a gold, really pretty gold. And then B2080, which is a really pretty silver. So let's get swatching. So I'm back. I've just got my spotlight on. See how it works. We're going to start with B2305. This is this green. Nice rounded brush, like that. Quite thick. So what do we think? There we go. Now we're going to go with B2306. Thought I'd do the 2 green ones, the 2 red ones. Had a bit of a fiddle with the lighting because I wasn't happy with how it looked. Now this is the sparkle. So this is green with the sparkle. Oh, it's very sparkly. Ooh, now like this. You see? Yeah, I think you can see it very well. I'm going to turn the spot off if that helps. Oh, can you see better? There, you can see it now, can't you? It's almost jelly, but not quite. Let me just take the form. So let's do a second coat of these. There we go. That was quite pretty. Really a lover of green. So I do quite like the sparkles in this one. So B2306. This is the second coat of the sparkly one. Okay. Yeah. You can see there. Beautiful. Like that. Really liking that one. I think the other one would be good as a base for maybe some stickers, or stamping over. Maybe even we could pop one of those glitters over when we've had a look at the glitters. Right, so on with the reds. So B206. I looked at it, I said it was quite a dark red, didn't I? So let's see what we've got. Hello. Very popular today, aren't I? Right, okay, so this is one coat of the B2806. It's quite pretty. Very Christmassy. And then we're going to look at, oh, and Valentine's is coming up, isn't it? I was just thinking, what could I use that for? Because Christmas has gone, hasn't it? But yeah, oh, Valentine's is on its way. Let's have a look. So this one is B2809. This is the glittery red that comes in this pack. Oh, this is definitely jelly with a glitter in. So you could use that red as a base and then pop this over the top. So thinking, those in. So one with coat number 2 of the B2086. That's the plain, the cream red. Okay. And then this is B2809, which is the glitter, which is the red, the glitter in it. Okay, let's put these in. And then our last two are the silver and the gold. So B208. This just looks stunning.
When's that? Oh, Mum not here.
No, Mum's gone home. I've finished her nails.
Yeah.
And I'm just recording this. This is just beautiful. It's going to make a stunning snowy scene. You can imagine those up for Valentine's Day as well with hearts. Nice red hearts on them and that shining in the background. Beautiful. And here we go with the gold. I would say that's like a semi-translucent. It's not a full jelly with glycerin, but semi. See what MelodySusie say about me. So I have got the MelodySusie top coat and the matte top coat. So I thought I would do the non-glittery ones with the matte, and then the glittery ones with the see what this green. I'll do half of it in the. Should I do it? I'll do it all. All of that in that, and then do all of the red. In that. Is it ready for their second coat? You put these in. Right, so there we go. So these are meant, these, so they're sweet scented, don't they? I'm not going to say that I have, they're not unpleasant to smell, and they're probably a bit nicer than some of the polishes that I have, but I'm not going to say that I don't think that the smell of them is something that I could can't scream about and say, oh, they smell fantastic. You have to let me know if you've got these and what you think. Oh, let's look at these now. I like those in matte, definitely. And you could definitely have some stickers over those. They'd look really good with gold sticker on. Yes. We just top coat these. I'll top coat the others. I'll come back to you. Okay, so here we have the finished set. We have B3205, which I did in the matte. And then we've got B2306, which is this lovely glitter. And we've got the red, that's B2806. Then we've got the B2809, then the B280 and the B260. And of course there's the top coat and the base coats that I used as well. What do I think of the polishes? They're good. They go on well. It feels like a nice quality polish. The brush is nice. It's got that nice rounded end, so it's much easier to apply with. Are they amazing? No, maybe it's the colours that I got. Maybe that's not my... It's a nice set for Christmas. It's got a nice green and a sparkly green and a nice red and your silver and your gold. So you've got everything that you need to do some nice Christmas nails. Have they blown me away and excited me? Not particularly. Do they smell? They're meant to be sweet smelling. What does it say? It says a naturally sweet scent. If I'm honest, I didn't particularly notice that the scent was any different. They don't smell as bad as some polishes. A hobby sat there. Have you noticed a difference, John, in the smell?
No.
No. So that's a no from here. But they're a nice product. And I absolutely love my lamps and my my nail lamp and my working lamp, desk lamp that I've got from MelodySusie. So it's an all-round good. Right, if you've enjoyed this, you know what to do. The like, the subscribe, and if you want to know when I'm back, notify the notification. Thanks very much. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.